Hello my dear children, I hope that all of you are having a good day at home. So today let us begin a new chapter in EVS. The chapter we are about to learn today is chapter 4, My Country India. So in this chapter you will be learning more about our country. Okay, you will be learning about India. So let us begin the class for today. So children, you all know that our country India is a big and beautiful country, isn't it? It has unique culture, it has beautiful monuments, isn't it? Landscape, beautiful people, the culture and heritage of our country is very unique, isn't it? As well as it is very beautiful. So let us learn more about India. And we know that India is our motherland. And India is also known as Bharat or Hindustan. We used to call India as Bharat as well as we used to call it as Hindustan also. We used to call our country by the names Bharat as well as by the name Hindustan other than calling it India. Isn't it? So, India has a lot of things that you have to know more about. Okay. So, one is its name. You can call India as Bharat. It is also known as Hindustan. Then, secondly, it is in the continent Asia. India, the country India is situated in the continent Asia. So, I think you must not be familiar with the term continent. Okay, continent means it is a large piece of land, or you can say that it is the main land groups that are present in the world. Okay, in our world there are main land groups, that means major land forms which are very large. Those land masses or those land groups or those main lands are known as continents. And India is situated in the continent Asia. That means India is a country that belongs to the continent Asia. So in order to understand more about continents, I will just show you one picture. Okay, I will just show you a picture. See, here I have shown the picture of the world map. In that, the continents of the world are shown. Okay, the continents of the world. You will learn about the continents in your higher classes. So, for the time being, for you to understand, I am just showing you this. Okay, and in our world, there are 7 continents. Okay, how many continents are there? 7 continents are there. Here I have shown the picture of those 7 continents. Okay, the continents, those 7 continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica and Australia. Okay, these are the 7 continents. That means the major lands or the large land forms or the large main lands that you find in the world. And India belongs to which continent? It belongs to Asia. Okay, that means it is situated in Asia. Here you can see India in the continent Asia. India is situated over here. Okay, India is situated in the continent Asia. Okay, I hope it is clear. Okay, so let us move next to the next point. And it is the 7th largest country in the world. Okay, so among the countries it is having the 7th position. That means it is a very large country. So it is having the 7th position among the largest countries. So it is the 7th largest country in the world. As well as it is one of the mostly populated country. Okay, that means it is the 2nd most populated country. So among the population, among the number of people, it is having the 2nd position. So what is the meaning of population? Population means the total number of people that are present in a country. Okay, that is the meaning of population. The total number of people present in a country is known as population. So, it is the second most populated country among the world. That means it is very highly populated. There are many people in India. Okay. Then, on 15th August 1947, we got freedom. That means on 15th August 1947, we got freedom from the rule of British. You know that before 1947, the India was under the control of the British, isn't it? The British ruled India. And on this day, on 15th August 1947, our freedom fighters, as they fought for independence, as they fought against the British, they got freedom, and thus we obtained freedom on that day, freedom from the British rule. Okay, hence 15th August is celebrated as our Independence Day. We all know that on 15th August we celebrate 15th August as our Independence Day. Why? Because it is in the remembrance of the day in which we got freedom. Okay. So, on 15th August 1947, India got freedom, and from then onwards 15th August is celebrated as our Independence Day. Then the capital of India is New Delhi. Okay, New Delhi, the city New Delhi is the capital of India. So, what do you mean by capital? Capital means it is the place or a city where the government of that particular country is seated. Where is the government located? Or where is the government seated? The seating place of the government. That city is known as the capital of a country. So, the capital of India, the name of the city is New Delhi. And the currency of our country, that means currency of our country is the money that we use, isn't it? The money of our country is the rupee, the Indian rupee. So, I hope this is clear for you. So, let us see the map of India so that you will understand a bit more about India. So, this is the map of our country, India. Okay. So, now let us learn about the specialities of our country. And when you look at India, India is divided into several states. Okay, state means it is a piece of land or an area that is governed by separate governments, by separate political governments, okay, by political parties. Okay, so like that, India is divided into 28 states. Okay, you can see 28 states in India. There are 28 states in India at present. Okay, at present there are 28 states and 8 union territories. Okay, there are 28 states and 8 union territories. You will learn about the states, the names of the states and the union territories in your higher classes. State means it is a piece of land or an area that is governed by separate governments. Okay, and the union territory means union territory are places that are governed by the central government itself. You will learn about that in your higher class. For the time being, you just learn that at present, as of now, in India there are 28 states. Okay. And I told you that the capital of India, India's capital is Delhi. If you look here on the map, you can see New Delhi. Okay, here you can see New Delhi. So, New Delhi is the capital of our country. Okay, it is situated over here. New Delhi is the capital of our country. Okay, I hope this much is clear. Now children, in your worksheet there is an activity that is given. Okay, activity 1. That is based on the directions. You have to look at the map of India and fill what are the places or which are the places located towards each of the directions. That is activity 1 which is given in your worksheet. Okay, activity 1 of chapter 4. Let us do that activity. Okay, let us do that activity. So children, in your activity 1, there are certain spaces given for you to fill. Okay, in order to fill that, you should know the directions. Okay, where are the directions? According to the directions, which are the places situated towards India, near India. Okay, so when you say about directions, towards the top, you have the north. When you say direction, this is the north of India. Okay, this is the north. This part is the north of India. I have marked over here. And below, it is the south. Below you can see the south. And this side is the west. And towards here you can find the east. So there is north, south, that means this is the north, here there is south, here there is west, and here there is east. Okay, that is the directions. According to that, you have to fill the places that are situated over here. Here I have written the direction so that it is clear for you. Please see that you copy this to your worksheet. Just write north, south, west, and east. By the side of that map, just write that. Okay, so let us see which are the places that are situated towards the north, south, west and east of India. Okay, so towards the north, here, okay, towards the north, you can find Himalayas. Okay, Himalayas are situated towards the north of India. Himalayas are a mountain range. Okay, range means it is a series of mountains. Okay, Himalayas are mountain ranges. Range means a series of mountains. Okay, so Himalayas are situated towards the north of India. Series means a mountain that follows one after the other. So the Himalayas are situated towards the north of India. Okay. Towards the south of India, you can find a major ocean, that is the Indian Ocean. So towards the south, you have the Indian Ocean. That is towards the south of India. Then towards the west, you have the Arabian Sea. Towards the west, you have the Arabian Sea. And towards the east, you have the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal is situated towards the east of India. So, Bay of Bengal lies at the east of India. Arabian Sea lies at the west of India. The Indian Ocean lies towards the south of India. And the Himalayas lies towards the north of India. So, see that you fill those spaces in the activity 1. Okay, write Himalayas and within brackets write north. Write Arabian Sea within brackets write west. Write Bay of Bengal within brackets write east and write Indian Ocean and within brackets please write south. Okay, that is about the places that lies towards the north, east, west and south of India. So, I hope that it is clear. And Bay of Bengal, it is actually a sea that is part of the Indian Ocean. Okay, so here you can see the Bay of Bengal. I have marked it. Okay. Now, let us learn about largest state and the smallest state in India. You already learned that in India there are 28 states. At the present there are 28 states. Okay. Then you have to learn about the smallest state and the largest state in India. Okay. The smallest state in India. Okay. Smallest state is Goa. See, here you can see Goa. This yellow color state is the Goa. I have shown the color over here. It is the smallest state. And the largest state. Largest state is Rajasthan. Okay, Rajasthan is the largest state. And the name of our state, you all know that we belong to the state Kerala. And Kerala lies towards the south of India. Okay, it is a South Indian state, so it lies towards the south. This is our state. So the smallest state is Goa, the largest state is Rajasthan. So children, I hope that this is clear. So let us just revise what we have learned in the class of today. So I will just repeat whatever we have learned. So you learned that our country India. India is also known as Bharat or Hindustan. Then it is in the continent, situated in the continent Asia. It is the 7th largest country in the world and it is the 2nd most populated country in the world. Then on 15th August 1947 we got freedom and 15th August is celebrated as our Independence Day. New Delhi is the capital of our country and the currency or the money that we use is rupee. Okay. So children, I hope that this is clear. This portion is clear for you. So please do your activity that is given in the worksheet. Please read the worksheets well. So thank you children.